Hi friends, IBPS SO Prelims paper number 54 explanation quantitative aptitude. So look at question number 101 onwards. Quadratic equations. 4 nines are 36, 6 6 are 36. 6 plus 6 will give us 12. Finally minus 6 minus 6. Minus 6 by 4 means minus 3 by 2. X value minus 3 by 2. 12 3s are 36. 18 2 times 36. 18 plus 2 will give us 20. Finally, minus 18 minus 2. Minus 18 by 12 means minus 3 by 6. Minus 2 by 12 means minus 1 by 6. Less than. X less than y is your answer. 10 ones are 10. 5 twos are 10. Minus 5 minus 2 will give us minus 7. Finally, plus 5 plus 2. X values are plus 5 plus 2. 6 13s are 78. Factors also same. 13 6 are 78. Minus 13 minus 6 will give us minus 19. Finally, plus 13 plus 6. 13 by 6. 6 by 6 means 1. 13 by 6 1. 30 13 greater than 12 13 less than. No relation is your answer. 3 20s are 60. 10 6 are 60. Minus 10 minus 6 will give us minus 16. Finally, plus 10 plus 6. 10 by 3. 6 by 3 means 2. 2 28s are 56. 7 8s are 56. Minus 7 minus 8 will give us minus 15. Finally, plus 7 plus 8. 7 by 2. 8 by 2 means 4. 7 by 2 4. 20 21 less than. X less than y is your answer. 12 ones are 12. 4 threes are 12. Minus 4 minus 3 will give us minus 7. Finally, plus 4 plus 3. 3 tens are 30. 6 fives are 30. Minus 6 minus 5 will give us minus 11. Finally, plus 6 plus 5. 6 by 3 means 2. 5 by 3. 2 5 by 3. Greater than. X greater than y is your answer. 12 threes are 36. 9 fours are 36. 9 plus 4 will give us 13. Finally, minus 9 minus 4. Minus 9 by 12 means minus 3 by 4. Minus 4 by 12 means minus 1 by 3. X values. 4 15s are 60. 10 6 are 60. 10 plus 6 will give us 16. Finally, minus 10 minus 6. Minus 10 by 4 means minus 5 by 2. Minus 6 by 4 means minus 3 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Minus 6 minus 20 greater than minus 6 minus 12 greater than minus 2 minus 15 greater than. X greater than y is your answer. Next. Cost to price of item B is 160 rupees more than cost to price of item A. Item A was sold at a profit of 30%. Item B was sold at a loss of 40%. If the respective ratio of the selling prices of items A and B given as 3:2, what is the cost to price of item A? Selling prices ratio given. Item A was sold at a profit of 30%. Selling price nothing but 130% of item A. Item B was sold at a loss of 40%. Selling price nothing but 60% of item B. Selling prices ratio they given as 3:2. 0 0 get cancelled. 2 3 times. A by B is equal to 9 by 13. Cost prices ratio 9 is to 13. A 9 parts, B 13 parts. A 9 parts, B 13 parts. Cost price of A is 9 parts. Answer is 9 multiple. First option is your answer. Or else A B is 160 more than A. B 13 parts, A 9 parts. Difference 4 parts value 160. Then 1 part value 40. A belongs to 9 parts. 940 times 360 is your answer. Next, there are 6 consecutive odd numbers. 6 consecutive odd numbers: x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, x plus 8, x plus 10. Where x is an odd number. Where x is an odd number. The difference between the square of the average of first 3 numbers. First 3 numbers average means middle term x plus 2. Square means whole square. And the square of the average of the last 3 numbers. Last 3 numbers average means x plus 8. Square means whole square. Difference among these two given as 240. What is the last odd number? X plus 10 is how much? X square plus 16x plus 64 minus x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 240. Plus x square minus x square will get cancelled. 16x minus 4x means 12x. 64 minus 4 means 60. 12x plus 60 is equal to 240. Then 12x is equal to 180. X equal to 15. Last odd number means x plus 10. 15 plus 10. 25 is your answer. In a bag there are 15 red balls, 5 green balls. Total 20 balls are here. 2 balls are drawn at randomly. What is the probability that at least one of the ball drawn is green? So at least one is green means we can say 1 minus none is green. 1 minus none is green. So 1 minus out of 20 balls, 2 balls are drawn, 20 C2. None is green means except green, from the remaining red balls only we need to draw 15 C2. So 1 minus 15 into 14 by 20 into 19. 5 3s are 5 4s are 2 2s are 2 7s are 1 minus 21 by 38. 17 by 38 is your answer. 17 by 38 is your answer. Next, A started a business by investing 15,000. At the end of second month from the start of the business, B joined with 36,000. And at the end of fourth month from the start of the business, C joined with 30,000. If A share in the profit at the end of the year was 4,650, what was the total profit received? Investments commonly 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros. A started with 15 rupees from beginning to ending 12 months. B joined with 36 rupees. At the end of second month, B joined means remaining 10 months B is there. And C joined with 30 rupees at the end of fourth month, remaining 8 months C is there. 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 2s are 12. 2 1 time, 2 5 time, 2 4 times, 5 5 5 3 times. Profit ratio 3 is to 6 is to 4. 3 plus 6 plus 4, 13 parts. Out of 13 parts, they given A share in the profit given as 4,650. A belongs to 3 parts value 4,650. Then 1 part value 1550. Total profit means 13 parts is equal to how much? 13 into 1550. 13 5 are 65, 65 plus 6, 71, 71. 13 1s are 13 plus 7, 20. 20,150 is your answer. 20,150 rupees is your answer. At present, Diva's age is twice the age of Eva. Diva, Eva, Eva x twice the age of Eva means 2x. And Fayaz is 6 years younger to Diva. Fayaz is 6 years younger to Diva. 2x minus 6. 6 years hence the respective ratio between Eva's age at that time and Fayaz's age at that time. 6 years hence Eva's age x plus 6 and Fayaz's age 2x minus 6 plus 6 nothing but 2x, ratio given as 7 is to 10. What will be Diva's age 5 years hence? 2 5 times 5x plus 30 is equal to 7x. 2x equal to 30, x is equal to 15. Diva's present is 30 years, but asked to calculate 5 years, hence 30 plus 5, 35 years is your answer. Next, the respective ratio between radii of two right circular cylinders is 4 is to 5. The respective ratio of the volumes of cylinders A and B given as 12 is to 25. Volume ratio means pi r1 square h1 by pi r2 square h2. Volume ratio given as 12 is to 25. Pi gets cancelled. Radius ratio given as 4 is to 5. What is the respective ratio of the heights of the cylinders A and B? 4 square 16, 5 square 25 into height ratio h1 by h2 is equal to 12 by 25. 25 get cancelled. So height ratio 12 by 16. 4 3s are 4 4s are 3 is to 4 is your answer. A vessel contains mixture of milk and water in the respective ratio of 13 is to 3. Milk and water in the respective ratio of 13 is to 3. 13 parts, 3 parts. Milk and water. 32 liters of this mixture was taken out. 32 liters of this mixture was also taken out in the ratio of 13 is to 3 only. 13 plus 3, 16 parts value 32 liters, 1 part value 2 liters. Then 13 twos are 26 liters, 3 twos are 6 liters were taken out and replaced with 18 liters of water. If the resultant respective ratio between milk and water given as 13 is to 6, what was the initial quantity of mixture in the jar? Initial quantity of mixture means 13 plus 3, 16 parts is equal to how much? 13 one time, 13 two time, 13 one time. Cross multiplication. 6 parts minus 12 is equal to 3 parts plus 12. 3 parts is equal to 24. Then 1 part is equal to 8. Initial quantity of the mixture is 16 parts. 16 8s are 128 liters. Dara invested P rupees for 2 years in scheme A, which offers 10% per annum compound interest. She lent the interest and from scheme A to Sumi at the rate of 16% per annum simple interest. At the end of 5 years, Sumi gave 3024 to Dara and thereby repaid the whole amount, actual loan plus interest. What is the value of P? See, per 1 year 10% means 2 years compound interest is 21%. This is the interest received. This interest she given to Sumi at the rate of 16% per annum for 5 years. Per 1 year 16% means 5 years 80% is interest. Interest is 80, amount is 180. So 180% of 21% they given us 3024. Asked to calculate P value means 100% is how much? 18 10 times. 18 ones are 18, 122. 18 6 are 108. 18 6 are 108. 144. 18 8 are 144. 21 1 time, 21 8 times. So 10% is equal to 800. Then 100% is equal to 8000. So value of P nothing but 8000 rupees. Next. A is 4 times as efficient as B. A is 4 times as efficient as B. So efficiency ratio nothing but 4 is to 1. A is 4 times as efficient as B means efficiency ratio 4 is to 1. A started working and after 4 days he was replaced by B. In one day A can do 4 units, B can do 1 unit. A started working and after 4 days he was replaced by B. In one day 4 units, in 4 days 4 fours 16 units was done by A and then replaced by B. B then worked for 8 days and left. In one day B can do 1 unit, in 8 days B can do 8 units. Total they did 24 units. If A and B together finished 50% of the total work, these 24 units are 50% of the total work, then total work nothing but 48 units. In how many days B alone can finish the whole work? In one day B can do 1 unit in one day. Whole work means 48 units are in how many days means 48 days is your answer. Next. Dhruva gave 35% of her monthly salary to her mother. To her mother, 35% given. So remaining 65%. From the remaining salary, so 65 percentage, she paid 18% towards rent and 42% she kept aside for her monthly expenses. So 18 plus 42, 60% of the remaining. 60% of the remaining, 60% of 65. Nothing but 39% is over. 30, 30, 60, 9 plus 5, 14, 74% is over. Finally left with 26%. The remaining amount she kept in bank account. This 26% is she kept in bank account. The sum of the amount she kept in bank and that she gave to her mother was 43,920. Kept in bank account 26%, mother 35%, 35 plus 26, total 61% value. They given us 43,920. Asked to calculate what was her monthly salary means. 100% is how much? 61 7 times 427, 427, remaining 122, 61 2 times, 72,000 is your answer. 72,000 is your answer. Next. Data related to number of students enrolled for a vocational course in two institutes A and B during 5 years. Vocational course in two institutes A and B during 5 years. Okay. 2006 to 2010 institutes are A, B. What is the difference between average number of students enrolled in Institute A in 2007 and 9? 2007 160, 2009 210, 160 plus 210 370. Average means by 2. And Institute B in 2006 and 8, 2006 140, 2008 340, 480 by 2. Difference is how much we need to calculate. 480 minus 370 means 110 by 2. Answer is 55. 55. Number of students enrolled in Institute B in 2010. B 2010 220 is what percent lesser than that in 2007 300. Percentage less means difference by more value. 80 by 300 into 100. 26 2 by 3%. 26 2 by 3%. If the number of enrolled students in Institute A in 2010 is 20% lesser than that in 2011, how many students were enrolled in Institute A in 2011? Institute A in 2011. See, 20% less than in 2010. 2010 Institute A I am having 260. That 260 is 20% lesser than that in 2011. 20% less means that value 80% value 260. Then 2011 100%. 420 times 465 times 325 is your answer. Next, if the number of enrolled students, that is over. Next one, see. Number of students enrolled in Institute A in 2006, 220. Is what percent of that enrolled in Institute B in the same year, 140. 220 is what percent of 140? 2 sevens are 2 11s are 1100 by 7, 7 ones are 7, 40, 7 fives are 35, 50, 7 sevens are 49, 157, 1 by 7. In 2008, 60% of the students enrolled in Institute A were male. If the respective ratio between the number of male students in Institute A and B in 2008 was 9 is to 12, what was the number of male students enrolled in Institute B in same year? 2008 Institute A total 180. In that 180, 60% are male. 60% of 180 means 108s are male. Male and A and B males are in the ratio of 9 is to 12. A and B males are in the ratio of 9 is to 12. A males 9 parts value 108. 9 parts value 108 means 1 part value 12. Then B males 12 parts. 12 into 12, 144 is your answer. Next, approximations. 35 4 times 140 minus root 25 means 5 into 22. 22 5s are 110. 140 minus 110 means 30. 661 plus 55, 45. 660 plus 40, 705. 705 minus 112 by 4 square means 16. 16 7 times. 705 minus 7, 698, approximately 700. 70% of 440 divided by 30% of x is equal to 18. Percentage will get cancelled. 0 0 will get cancelled. 18 twos are 36. 18 twos are 36. So remaining 18. 18 fours are 72. 3 8 times 8 sevens are 56. Approximately 57. X percent of 540 into 65 by 13 is equal to 810. 13 5 times. So x percent of 2700. X percent of 2700 is equal to 810. So x is how much? 2700. 30%. 27 3s are 81. So 30% is your answer. 116 divided by 36 plus 18 6 are 108. 18 6 are 108. 36 3 times. 3 plus 108 111, approximately 110. Next, table chart. Study the following table carefully and answer the given questions. Coaching institutes WXYZ. Total number of students who have enrolled for the coaching institute. Percentage of students who have enrolled for the given coaching institute from different schools. Coaching institutes are WXYZ. Different schools are PQRS. Percentage from the different schools. First one. What was the difference between total number of students who have enrolled for Coaching Institute W from schools P and S together? Coaching Institute W from schools P and S together. 10 plus 20, 30% of 90. 30% of 90 means 27. And total number of students who have enrolled for Coaching Institute Y from the same schools. Coaching Institute Y from the same schools. 36 plus 15. 51% of 300. 51% of 300. 153. Difference is how much? 130. 150 minus 20. 130. 3 minus 7 minus 4. 130 minus 4 means 126 is your answer. In Coaching Institute W, 40% are females. W having total 90 members. In that 90, 40% means 36 female, remaining 54 males. If 5/9 of the total females are from school R, 5/9 of the total female are from school R, means 20 females are from school R. What is the number of male students from school R who have enrolled for Coaching Institute W? School R, total 40 members are there. Out of 40 members, females are 20, means males also 20. Just a minute. 40% are females, 4 9s are 36 are females. If 5/9 of the total females are from school R, 5/9 of the total females are from school R, 5/9 of 36. 9 4s are 5 4s are 20 females are from school R. What is the number of male students from school R who have enrolled for Coaching Institute W? Okay, this is percentage, not the value. Percentage. So 40% of 90, 40% of 90 means 36 total. Out of 36, 20 are female. Then males are nothing but 16. Males are nothing but 16. What is the average number of students who have enrolled in coaching institutes XYZ from school Q? 20% of 250 means 50. 24% of 300 means 72. 32% of 200 means 64. 50, 70, 120, 60, 180, 186. Average means by 3. 62 is your answer. 62 is your answer. Next. What is the respective ratio between the total number of students who have enrolled for? What is the respective ratio between the total number of students who have enrolled for coaching institutes X and Y together from school R? X and Y together from school R. 30% of 250, 75. 25% of 300, 75. Total 150. School R. And total number of students who have enrolled for the same coaching institutes together from school S. 30% of 250, 75. 15% of 300, 45. 75, 45 means 120. 5:4 is your answer. Next. In coaching institute Z 200, the number of students who have enrolled from school R and S together is what percent lesser than the total number of students who have enrolled from schools P and Q together? R and S, 24 plus 16, 40%, remaining 60%. Percentage less means difference by more value. 20 by 60 into 100, 1/3. 1/3 means 33, 1 by 3%. 33, 1 by 3%. Next, number series. Difference 8, 16, 24, 8 1s are 8 2s are 8 3s are 8 4s are 32. 80 minus 32 means 48 will come. 48 will come. Difference 48, 24 plus 12, 36, 27, 21. Again difference 12, 9, 6, next 3. 12, 9, 6, 3. 21 minus 3 means 18. 28 minus 18, 10 will come. In place of question mark, 10 will come. Into 0.5 plus 1. Into 1 plus 2. Into 1.5 plus 3. Into 2 plus 4. into 2.5 plus 5. 105 is your answer. Into 1 plus 2, into 2 plus 3, into 3 plus 4, into 4 plus 5, into 5 plus 6. 1005 plus 6, 1011. 1011. Next difference 37, 48, 11. 48, 66 means 28. Not 28, 18. 18. 66, 93. 33. Not 33, 27. 27. Again difference 11, 18, 7, 9 means 5, 3. 11 minus 5 means 6, minus 3 means 3. 28 plus 3, 31. 31 plus 6, 37. So in place of question mark, 31 will come. Next, line charts. Number of books published by 3 companies ABC during academic year 2003 to 2008. ABC. What is the respective ratio between total number of books published by all the given companies in 2005? 260, 540, 800, 400, 1200. And total number of books published by all the given companies together in 2007. 660, 440, 1100 plus 380 means 1480. 4 30 times 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28. 30 is to 37. Number of books published by company A increased by what percent from 2003 to 2008? Company A 2003 420, 2008 760. Percentage increase means difference by less value. Difference 340, less values 420 into 100. 2 17s are 2 21s are 1700 by 21. 21 8 times 168. So remaining 20. So 80 20 by 21. 80 20 by 21. 32% of the total number of books published by all the given companies together in 2003 were academic books. 2003 32%. 45% of the total number of books published by all the given companies together in 2004 were academic books. What is the difference between total number of academic books published by these 3 companies in 2003 and 2004? 2003 all companies together 580, 420, 1000 plus 300, 1300. In that 1300, 32%. 26, 39 plus 2, 41, 416. Next, 2004 total 740, 560, 1300 plus 360, 1660. In that 45%. Means 50% minus 5%. 50% value 830 minus 5% means 83. 10 minus 3 7. 12 minus 8 4. 747. So the difference is how much? 7 minus 6 1. 4 minus 1 3. 331 is your answer. 331 is your answer. If the number of books published by company ABC increased by 10%, 4%, 15% respectively from 2008 to 9, what was the total number of books published by 3 given companies together in 2009? 2008 A 760, B 600, C 520. A, B, C. A increased by 10% means 76 increases. 760 plus 40, 836. B 4% means 24 increases 624. C 15%. 10% value 52. 5% value 26. 15% means 78 increases total 598. 18, 15, 12, 20. 2058 is your answer. What is the average number of books published by company B during all the given years together? Company B during all the given years together. 580, 740, 400, 540, 440, 600. Total all zeros 4, 8, 12, 20, 8, 12, 17, 21, 28, 33. 3300 by 6 years, 550 is your answer. Next. Distribution of total number of members, male and female, in 7 sports. Total number given as 40,000. A, B, C, D, E, F, G sports clubs. Respective ratio between male and female. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A 12% ratio between male and female they given male female. Male female 3:1. 3 plus 1 4 parts value 12. 1 part value 3. 3 parts value 9%. B 8%. 5 plus 3 8 parts value 8% means 5% and 3%. This is 9% and 3% B. C 24%. 24 in the ratio of 7:5. 7 plus 5 12 parts value 24. 1 part value 2%. 7 twos are 14%. 5 twos are 10%. D 16%. 5 plus 3 8 parts value 16 means 1 part value 2%. 5 twos are 10%. And 3 twos are 6%. E 5 parts value 10%, 1 part value 2%, 3 twos are 6, 2 twos are 4%, 6% and then 4%. E. F 13 plus 7, 20 parts value 20%, then 13% and then 7%. G 10%, 7 plus 3, 10 parts value 10%, then 7 parts value 7%, and 3 parts value 3%. This is the male and female ratio. Total number given as 40,000. 100% value 40,000, then 1% value 400. What is the ratio between total number of female members in sports clubs A, B, D together? A 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 6 12%, A, B, D 12%. And number of members in sports club F 20%, 12 is to 20, 4 3s are 4 5s are. What is the central angle corresponding to the number of members in sports club C? 24%. As 1% value 3.6 degree. 24% means 24 into 3.6. Answer ends with 4. 2 options are there. In these 2 options, go for 9 multiple. 4th option is your answer. Average number of members in A, B, D, F. A, B 12 plus 8 20. D, F 20 plus 16 36. 36 plus 20 56 by 4 14%. 1% value 400. 14% means 5,600. Difference between total number of male members in club C, E, Z together. C, E, G. C 14, E 6 20 plus 7 27. C, E, Z males are 27%. Total number of female members in the same sport. C, E, Z female 10 plus 4 14 plus 3 17. Difference 10%. 10% means 4,000. Number of members in sports club E 10%. Is what percent lesser than total number of female members in sports club C and F? 10 is C and F female. C 10, F 7, total 17. Percentage less means difference by more value. 7 by 17 into 100. 700 by 17. 17 4 ja 68. Remaining 20. 17 1 ja 17. 41 3 by 17%. 41 3 by 17%. Next, caselet. An organization consisting of 2,400 employees working in different departments: HR, marketing, IT, production, and accounts. Various departments given: HR, marketing, IT, production, HR, marketing, IT, production, and accounts. The ratio of the male to female employees in the organization is 5:3. Means every organization having male employees and female employees. 5:3 means 5 plus 3. 8 parts value 2,400. 1 part value 300. Males are 5 parts. 5 threes are 1,500. Females are 3 parts. 3 threes are 900. Males and females. 12% of the males work in HR department. So 12% of the male means 12% of 1,500 means 180. 24% of the females work in accounts department. 24% of the females, 24 nines are 216, work in accounts department. The ratio of the males to females working in HR department is 6:11 respectively. HR department male female 6:11. Already we know males are 180. 6 parts value 180. 6 parts value 180 means 1 part value 30. Females are 11 parts 330. 1/9 of the females work in IT department. 1/9 of the females work in IT department means 100 females. 42% of the males work in the production department. 42%. 40% 600, 2% 30, 630 males work in production department. Number of females working in the production department is 10% of the males working in the same. 10% of 63, 630 means 63. The remaining females work in marketing department. So remaining females work in marketing department. 300, 400, 460, 480. 30 plus 3, 33, 33 plus 16, 48. 480 plus 48 means 528. Out of 900, 528 is over. So remaining is 900 minus 500, 400 minus 28, 372. 600, 702. Sorry, we did a mistake. 300, 400, 460. 460 plus 20, 480. 30 plus 3, 33 plus 16. 33 plus 16, 49. 480 plus 49 means 529. Out of 900, 529 is over. So remaining 371. Again we did a mistake. See, marketing department. Yeah, 300, 200, 500, 300, 200, 500, 100, 600. 30 plus 60, 90, 90 plus 10, 100, 700, 6 plus 3, 9, 709 is over. Out of 900, 709 means remaining 191. 191. Next, total number of employees working in the IT department is 285. Total 285. Out of 285, already 100 is over, remaining 185 males. 22% of the males work in the marketing department. 22%. 20% 300, 2% 30. 330 marketing department. And the remaining males work in accounts department. Accounts department. 100, 400, 500, 1100, 80, 30, 110, 80, 190, 30, 220. 1100 plus 220, 1320 plus 5, 1325. So out of 1500, 1325 is over, remaining 175. How many males work in accounts department? 175 males work in accounts department. The number of males work in IT department? 185. Approximately what percentage of total number of males in the organization? 1500. So 185 is what percent of 1500? Approximately 12%. What is the total number of females working in HR marketing department? HR 330, marketing 191. 330 plus 191. 1 9 plus 3 12, 1 to 521. Number of females working in production department 63. Forms what percentage of total number of females in the organization? 7%. 63 is 7% of 900. Total number of employees working in accounts department 175 plus 216. 200 plus 175. 375, 391. Total 391. Forms what percentage of the total number of employees in the organization? 2400 into 100. 24 ones are 24, remaining 151. 24 6 are 144. 16 point something. Second option is your answer. Second option is your answer. Thank you.